Hi guys, welcome. Ouch. I hit my finger on the door. Take two. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tara. If you're new here, hi, welcome. It's nice to meet you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love to have you here on my channel for more videos. And if it's not asking too much, please hit that bell button on the side here so you get notified every time I have a new video. So today's video I will be showing you how I get this summer makeup look I have on right now. It is very easy to create, so without further ado, let's get into the video. For primer, I will be using this one. It is this silk canvas from Tatcha, and you're going to apply this onto the face like so, and I focus the areas where I have most larger pores, which is this part here of my cheeks here. And by the way, this primer smells so good. For foundation, I will be using this one from Chanel. It is the Perfection Lumiere Velvet. I am in the shade 30 Beige, this one. And this is perfect for summertime because it's lightweight. It is sheer or light to medium coverage. So after I give it a good shake, I'm going to pour it onto my brush. This foundation is really good because it applies as a liquid foundation, but it dries like a velvet texture, so we don't need to set this with powder. Now we are gonna move on to concealer, and I will be using this NARS in soft matte in the shade Ginger, and I'll apply this with a concealer brush and apply this onto the under eye area. I need to hide these raccoon eyes or panda eyes. I like to apply it with this brush first, and then I go in with my finger to press it into my skin to make it blend well. And then I go in with my finger, this ring finger, and I'll just press it like so. And then to set my under eye area with powder, I will be using this Flawless Finish from Charlotte Tilbury. So just set that, and also I take it up to my brow bone. Taking my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Soft Brown, and this is double-ended. It has this pen here and a spoolie here where you can brush your brow up, so I'll do that. First, I brush my hair, not hair, but yeah, it's hair. I'll brush my brow hair up like so, just to keep them in one direction, so like that. Same with the other side. Okay, and then I lined my brow under the brow area first here, just to give me kind of a guide where to trace my eyebrows. I just follow my natural arch of my brow and just slightly apply that brow pencil there, like with, you know, a very light hand to mimic the natural hair of your brows. I will be bronzing and contouring my face using this Tom Ford. This is the Glow Bronzer in number 2 Terra, and apply it to the hollows of my cheeks. Now for our eye makeup, I will be playing with this Morphe 350 palette. That's how it looks like. I think I will go with kind of a warm or peachy eye makeup for the summer. I'm taking my blending brush, this one, and I will take this shade here. This one, you can see that. Okay, wait, this one, okay, this shade, and apply that on the crease area. So let's apply it onto our crease area, and when you apply it, you have to do like a back and forth, and just lightly do that. And so again, we have to go back and forth and build up the color, and then drag it upward. That way you'll give your eye a slight lift. Just keep going and building up that color. Now take a smaller brush. This one is from Morphe. It is the E17 brush, and I think I'm gonna use the shade, I think this one. I don't know, maybe this one or this one. Wait, let me see. It has fallouts. Okay, I'll be bold, so I'll go with this shade here. Okay, and I'll take our brush and dip it on that shade. I'm doing now, and then tap it off, and then reach for your mirror. Then we are going to diffuse this color just on the outer V of the eye first. So it's this area here. Apply it onto the outer V of the eye, going inwards. But mostly diffuse it here on the outside area of your eyes or your eye. And I've done my other eye makeup here, so now we're going to do our eyeliner. So I applied my falsies already. I used the individual lashes from Kiss. It is this one I have here. This one. We have this on, and now we're going to tight line our eyes. And for that, I'm going to use the Estee Lauder eye pencil in the shade Onyx. This one. After our tight line, I'm going to take this same eye pencil and then I use it on the waterline just on the outer part of the eye. Okay, I'm taking my Rock and Cold Iconic liquid eye pencil from Charlotte Tilbury, and I will be using this onto my waterline from the center to the inner corner. For mascara, I will be using this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I won't apply these onto my upper lashes because I have falsies there. I'll just apply it on the bottom lashes. What? Well, sometimes it happens. Gosh. Okay. Oh, that was easy. And then I'm taking the shade and I'll just mix it together. And then I'm going to tap it off, apply in the crease area where we messed up with our mascara. Okay, the eyes is done, so now I'm going to bronze my face more because I want a bronzy summer look. So I'm gonna use our bronzer. This one I'm gonna be using is from Too Faced. It is the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil. It smells like cocoa. So I'm taking a powder brush. This one, I don't put any powder here. Just take this and then blend the edges of my bronzer. I just blend it all together before I apply the blush. And for blush, I will be using this NARS blush in the shade Gina, and this blush is kind of like a coral shade, which is perfect for summer and for my skin tone. So it's this color. Just do it like this. Okay, but you want to apply your blush like on an angle like that. It will make your face like, it will make your cheekbone like it's lifted, and it will make your face look slimmer also. For highlighter, I will be using my favorite one. It's the Becca Champagne Pop here, and I apply it with a fan brush. And you apply the highlighter on the high points of your face or your cheeks here. On the other side also. Oh, my battery is gonna die soon. I gotta work fast, guys. Okay. Also on the bridge of your nose, under your brow bone, just a little bit there, and your cupid's bow, and your chin. For lipstick or for lips, I will be using the MAC in the shade Soar lip pencil with the Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Sellout. These two together. We'll apply this on top of our lip liner, this one. And then to set the deal, no, to set our makeup, we're going to spritz this Guadalupe Beauty Elixir. And I love this one so much because the smell of it, it reminds me of Paris. Okay.